Covered in rust. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, covered in rust. This is a fascinating phrase in the English language, often used to describe more than just the literal rust on metal. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Covered in rust literally refers to an object, usually made of metal, that has a lot of rust on its surface. Rust is a reddish-brown oxide formed by the reaction of iron and oxygen in the presence of water or air moisture. This section will show examples of objects like old cars or gates that are literally covered in rust. In a figurative sense, covered in rust can be used to describe something that is old, neglected, or not in use for a long time. For example, if someone hasn't practiced a skill for years, they might say their ability is covered in rust. This section will explain how to use this phrase metaphorically, with examples in different contexts like skills, buildings, or relationships. This part will explore how the phrase has been used in literature, movies, and songs, providing a cultural dimension to its understanding. For instance, discussing a classic novel where a rusty setting symbolizes decay or neglect. Here, we'll provide practical tips and example sentences on incorporating covered in rust into everyday language. We'll discuss nuances like tone and context, ensuring learners know when and how to use the phrase appropriately. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, covered in rust, confidently in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and expression. Keep practicing, and don't let your language skills get covered in rust. See you in the next video.